Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 9,381 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with Cobra slip-on mufflers and a windshield and aftermarket grips. The Freewheeler offers riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels, and unlike its larger Grand Touring sibling, the Tri-Glide, is stripped down to just the essentials of riding. Powered by a Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 89 horsepower and 110 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,047 pounds and has a 27.6-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.